scary cloud. Ooh. "30 seconds in and no lightning. Much disappointment. Oh man, missed the lightning. Oh gosh! Did you see that? No, because you weren't looking. It was like right. No, it was like there's a huge bolt of lightning just now. It was really big, and I caught it on camera. You did too? Well, I'll show you in a minute. Let's see if I can catch another one, like lightning thief. Hahaha! Look at me. Capture. No! Gosh! Yes, I think. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I just got like the toes of it. Lightning toes. Ooh, tingly. Oh. Yeah. Oh, no, the door's open. It's creeping up on me. You think it's gonna rain again? Because you know what it is? It's raining lightning. Yeah. On my camera. Wait, that's a bad thing, isn't it? Yeah. Lightning Spotters 101. That's our name, Mom. We're the Lightning Spotters. Look at us. Like the Ghostbusters, but less cool. I mean, more cool. No, we're not. Yeah, you jinxed us. Lightning. Oh, scary. Fascinating. Really, it is. Yeah, I don't have a... Of course I don't have a life. I just got out of high school. I'm about to go into college. I'm not going to have a life for 4 years. Ooh, spooky, scary. The suspense was killing me. I'm gonna end it here. About 2 minutes and 50 seconds. We went through a whole minute of no lightning, just a very orange cloud of dust and water. Oh, well, mine's better, I guess. I don't know. I have like a setting that lets you see the colors of the wind. Ooh! Ooh! Spooky, scary stuff happening in nowhere. Look at that. Beautiful, majestic. It's glorious. And thunder. That's there too. Ew. I think that's enough.